Okay, hello everyone, this is Doris from JCsportline Auto Parts, and I'm so glad to be here today to show you our factory. And right now we are just in the front of our gate here, and as you can see, this is our logo, JCsportline. Okay, then we just on the way to our workshop right now. As you can see, here is our playground. We have the ping pong, basketball for our workers for the entertainment. And right now you can also see the buildings. And this building is for our workers for living. And as you can see, the first floor we have the canteen and the meeting room for our workers. And from the second floor to the top one, those are the dormitories for our staffs. And as you can see, you can also see some cars here. And these cars belongs to our workers. And beside those cars, for our fitment, we also buy some car models. The popular car models like M3, M4, Civic 10s, like that. And because right now it is Sunday today, so just several workers working, and most of them are just off for the holiday. And for JCsportline, we are the one of the biggest carbon parts manufacturer in China, and as you can see, we have a very big land here, and it is 70,000 square meters, and which is 7 hectares. Now we are just on the way to the workshop. As you know, the workshop is the most important part of the whole factories. And we will show you the different parts from one by one. And the first part will be our CNC machines, CNC workshop. Okay, here we go. And here, as you can see, this is just in Chinese, but as you can see the details of our company. Right now, total we have 8 size CNC machines here. I can say that it is automatic, so even the workers here, we can also continue to make the molds automatically. And because the mold, the bumper mold cannot be converted into by the CNC machine, so we also need to use the 3D printer to make the big carbon parts. And for the CNC workshop, we use it to produce the mold. And with the eight size machines, we can make 150 size molds every month. So most clients lose about many other competitors, other manufacturers. So you will know that 150 molds per month is really a big production that has this. Okay, and right now we just on the way go to the next step. And just now we show you some photos of our main product. For the carbon parts, we have white carbon and dry carbon. And most of our carbon parts are just like the front lip, rear bumpers, side skirt, like that. And here we go. This is our Elvira house. And because no workers right now, so we just have a look. And here it is our painting house. Most of our carbon parts are just with carbon black. And later we can show you the production one by one. And here is our painting house. And this is a coat house. The painting house is for the varnishing process. And here is our another painting house, which is for the close back. Because for the carbon parts, we can also do the gloss black and matte black. Because the production process is different, so the price will be a little different. And here right now we just in the warehouse for the mold. As you can see, there's so many molds here, and you can see the molds. All of the molds are the epoxy resin mold instead of in motion mold. For some clients, I think you know that epoxy resin mold is more stable than the old-fashioned mold, because if we keep it in the good condition, then we can use it for 10 to 20 years. So which is really a good technology for us, for the factories. And here you can see this is a very the mold for the hood. It is a very big one. And right now we have 4,000 molds here, and because we got many wholesalers from different countries like US, UK, Germany, Australia, and Malaysia, and also even from the Taiwan. So we also do the custom orders for our customers, because some wholesalers they have their special inquiries from their locals. They do the marketing research. Maybe they have more details and more inquiries for their orders. So expect the carbon parts we do now. We can also do the OEM for that. And so even right now we just use the half space of the warehouse, but later I think the whole warehouse will be filled with our mold. Okay. Then right now we just go to the clothes workshop. Yeah. And this part we will show you the details, because I got many questions from some clients. They say especially this I got one conclusion from one wholesaler. They say they just show me the different photos from one factory in mainland and one factory in Taiwan. Beside Taiwan, right now in the market, Taiwan is the symbol of the good quality, and they give the good look, and they give the high quality, and they say, oh, the product from mainland is not so good. But as you can see here right now, okay, we see the details. This is our carbon fiber cloth, and as you can see for this one, you can see the clear wave. We use this high quality carbon fiber cloth, and this is 3+3 trios, and we usually we use 3+3, and but we also use some 2+2 trios. And here and this part. as you can see, the blue one is our mold. We put the carbon fiber cloth on the mold, and we use the glue to stick it on the mold. And this is just the first step for the production. And just back to my topic about the product between mainland manufacturer and a Taiwan manufacturer. I just want to say I also have some wholesalers from the wholesaler who is also the manufacturer of the carbon parts in Taiwan. They also bought the carbon parts from us. So if you just bought this the carbon parts, which you think the quality is not good, but it does mean that no supplier from mainland can do the good one. It just means we did not get the reliable one. And you can see our detailed production process. We have the ability to supply the manufacturer from Taiwan, so we also have the ability to supply all the famous wholesalers in many countries. And here you go. We use the plastic to pack the whole mold, and we put the pumps inside, and we use the machine to get air out from here. So this is called the vacuum, and this is the details for the vacuum workshop. Okay, then we just finish this part. And just now we show you that is just one part of the mold. The production is the product is made by two pieces of the mold. So after we put the carbon fiber cloth on one piece of the mold, then we put another piece of the mold together, and we use the machines to get air air out from the mold. Then we make it. And just now we show you the white carbon parts production, and now we're just on the way to the dry carbon fiber parts. Here we go. This is our autoclave production warehouse. And I know some clients who is professional in this carbon fiber field, in the carbon parts business. They know the differences between dry carbon and white carbon. And right now, as you can see, we have a total 3 sides of the autoclave tank, and this big one and the 2 small one. For this big one, we can even put we can even put the big car parts from the SUV, and we use the big pan, the big trunk to dry it. And here we go. We show you the workshop. Because right now the workers here, so we cannot show you the details of the operation. And this part is is the workshop for the dry carbon. Well, just talking about dry carbon, the differences between dry carbon and white carbon. We know in the market, the most product, the white carbon is also popular for the decoration, for the fashion. As we know, some vans, some splitters, some side skirts, flash front skirt like that. And this is the mold. This is a stainless steel mold for the dry carbon parts, and we use the mold. And this one, yeah. here is our carbon fiber clothes together with the glue, which we call it pre-prep, and we make the clothes finish it here, and we put the clothes on the steel mold. After we right now we show you the finished one. This is just unfinished one for you, the steel mold, because only in the steel mold we can only put the steel mold into the big tank. Just now we show you that the high temperature will not hurt the mold, and we can even the steel mold we can use more than 100 times after drying. And here you go. This is also one of the finished products for the dry carbon. And this is our intelligent clothes cutters. We also use the cutters to cut the carbon fiber clothes. I think our workshop is very clean. Even in the Sunday, I say before the staffs get off, they make everything clear here. It's very good condition for that. Before the lawnmower car parts accessories, just like I mentioned, from lip, side skirt. Right now we are also specialized and have the project for the motor back accessories. For the dry carbon, we have more strict standards for the production. Because the dry carbon can give more function, and I know many other clients knows about that. And here you go. As you can see, this is a very big finished dry carbon, and from the side to side, it is so different from the white one. And I know everyone know that the dry carbon will be more expensive than the white one because it was it. Okay. And right now, JCsportline has the warehouse and the head office in Shenzhen. Some clients, I think most clients know about Shenzhen. Shenzhen has become the modernist big cities in China, just like Shanghai, Beijing, and also the Guangzhou. But right now, our factory is in Hubei province. Right, our city is Jinmen City. I know a few people know about Jinmen, but maybe someone know about Wuhan. Wuhan is the capital city of the Hubei province. And from 2020, it is. I think Wuhan becomes the famous. This is a painting room. And right now we just on another way to the inspection warehouse. There are some workers working here. Right now, here is water molding warehouse. As you can see, we use the stainless steel inside, and we use the water to clean the car parts. Also make it flash. You can see the details. You also check the mistake part and then make it more beautiful. Because of the flowing orders, so it will make us, especially make the stuff here. When it is in winter, we will feel warm, but it is when we are in the summer, we will feel cool. So it make our staff here to get a good environment to start the work. Okay, then we finish the water molding warehouse. Then we just go to the polishing warehouse. And today we still have 2 workers. Just one here to continue the works. And the structure of the polishing warehouse is still same as our water molding. And here we have we can have a clear look here. You see, this part is just polishing by hand, and we can see actually, we also have the scale team for our workshop, because these workers have worked in these workers have worked in our factories for more than 5 years, and actually from last year we have. We were ready. We have the last year we had a plan to expand our factories for the bigger production capacity. So actually those scale workers has give a very good examples for our new workers, to teach them how to keep the quality stable and to be a good teacher for them. And actually they has been a very important part of our workshop, so just clap for them sincerely. Okay, then next one we just go to the quantity inspection and welcome my colleague Rita to introduce for us.
Hello, I'm Rita. Next one, let me show you our factory. You can see that this is our quality inspection. Follow me. Here you can know that the quality inspection workshop is like to the polishing workshop, which is designed to better handle the unqualified finishing product. As you can see, this is mirror cover. It's very clear with so good products. After the quality inspection, the product is waiting to package. As you can see, some good quality products are packaged for to wait for delivery. Each product is equipped with operation instructions in the design process, and each workshop through the app developed by the company Employees can use LED, large screen, and the small pad to acquire information convenient. Okay, follow me. Let me show you the package workshop. As you can see, the product. This is your This is our packaging development. You can see this product is used cotton product, and see that it use wooden craft to protect our products. This product is too big, so we use this wooden craft to protect it. And after that, and you can see we are many products are waiting for develop. All the products are transported directly from Siam factory to our JCsportline Shenzhen warehouse. After that, the products will ship to you. Okay, let me show you our finished products. We have 2 finished products warehouse. This is our finished product warehouse A. Okay, going in. Let you say there are many products in this warehouse. Why don't we make mistakes? Each product in the finished products warehouse is placed in the right location, because we have a very powerful ERP system to handle all the order from our clients. So many products are waiting to package and develop to you.
As you can see, we have 1,000 pieces of finished products here. And just now, my colleague Rita mentioned the normal delivery. We use the trunk transportation from our factory in Jimen to our Shenzhen warehouse. So, because before some clients worried about the delivery. They say, your factory is in the middle of China, it is so far. But so that is not a problem. We have the years experiences for that. Normally 1 week, we will have 2 or 3 times of the trunk to help the delivery. And mostly, even we have some, as I said before, we have some the big wholesalers from US, UK, Germany. So even 1 month, they have 1 container for their products, for their carbon parts every month. So we use the whole trunk to deliver from our factory to the Shenzhen warehouse. So the delivery will not be a problem at all. Then we just finish this part and we just show you the office for our orders. Yeah. And this is the second finished product warehouse, which is the same together, same as the first one. And here, as you can see, this is our office for some stuff here. Because and here this is a wall with our staffs with the pictures together. Actually, we care so much about the staffs here. We celebrate together every month to give the courage for the for the staff who doing the good job. And we decorate the whole house because just my colleague Rita mentioned the ERP system, which is very important system for real manufacture. So our staffs need to use the ERP system to give the orders for each process of the production. So as you can see, we give the computers and all the staffs they did. And beside the cultures, beside the factory cultures, we actually our goal is to be the top manufacturer of carbon fiber in China. And right now, I think we just be the top 3. Besides the production process, it is a much important part for reaching the goal. But I think the marketing research is also important. So from 2 years ago, we just have a scanning team. This scanning team we have are in the US, UK, and German, Australia, for these countries, because we need to know the popular car models from all over the world, not only in China, because some car models is easy found in China, but some car models which is very popular overseas but not easy to be found in China. So we need those scanning team from overseas. They give the exact 3D data from their local and to our development design teams in Shenzhen office. Then we finish the exact marketing research, and we just want to leading the whole market. We hope that we will be the trading for the carbon parts field. Okay, and thank you for your time today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.